Okay, I am on my way to Hana in Maui, and I am going to see if I can get these two guys on video surfing. Cross your fingers, because I'm hoping we can. There goes one who didn't hit the wave. I can't show you from here, but from where I am, I can see probably 5 surfers. Those two are, I think, just the closest. And you can see just how far out they are. Oh, is he up? Is he up? Is he up? He's up. Awesome. Oh, too cool. Let's see if he catches this wave. Nope, he wasn't trying.
The wave caught up with the jet ski and tumbled it, and the fin on the bottom of the jet ski cut the guy's leg, almost cutting the top all the way off.
Okay, well, we've seen one. We have 4 more hours of driving just to get there, so we are going to go, and I will video more later. Bye.